There's no doubt in my mind that houseplants positively benefit mental health. A Google search will return endless information to support that, even if you want to ignore all the anecdotal evidence. The Royal Horticultural Society, or RHS, lists benefits including increased pain tolerance, increased productivity, reduced stress, and reduced blood pressure. Nevertheless, I can absolutely provide personal evidence. At my first plant swap, I asked the attendees to share their favorite things about gardening. Here are a few of them. Nurturing a living thing is rewarding, relaxing, calming, sense of achievements when plants do well. It reminds me of my dad, as he did this a lot, to the point the house was like a rainforest. I love hanging out in nature. All these are individuals who have found joy in their experience. Happiness can't cure problems, but it makes them easier to bear. If houseplants have brought people happiness, then they've made their lives a little better. The most common myth I come across is that houseplants steal air from you at night. It's due to a misconception that they produce oxygen during the day and carbon dioxide at night. While they do photosynthesis more during the day and respire more at night, they don't do either with enough force to make a difference to your breathing. Forests still have breathable air at night. Keeping a cactus in your room won't hurt you. I've got 2 things. 1. You never really know a plant until you've killed it. Don't be scared of killing plants or discouraged by something that failed to thrive. When something dies, work out what killed it, and don't do that next time. There's a YouTube video of the Long Island Orchid Society show where the president of the society, Peter Stegman, says, "You can't be an orchid expert until you've killed at least 100 plants." That's a motto I think I can apply to houseplants in general. 2. Google your plant before you bring it home. Most plants will have a name label, and there are some apps that help you identify plants from pictures. Ask staff if you're in a shop. But you need to know 2 things: how much light it needs and how much water it needs. You can't put a plant that needs very little water and a lot of light in your dark, wet bathroom, and you won't know how much light or water that plant needs until you've looked it up. Sprout Together, based in London, UK, is a community interest company designed to host more plant swamps and other community events. It's a free, inexpensive way for people to collect plants while keeping in mind that there's value in making strong interpersonal connections. People gather in spaces with a passion in common and progress as a community. Thanks for watching our video. You can find more information about Toni Rowe's initiative at exposure.org.uk. If you enjoy our videos, please share and subscribe. We have many more goodies on the way. Until next time, build, uplift, motivate, empower.